Now children, we are going to see the simplify the sums. So same wise for the simplifying the sum, we have to use this 8, 6 and 4 they have given. Here you see the numerator is common, but we have to need that LCM should be a common. So first of all, we just simplify the sum. So 1 by 8 minus 1 by 6. Then you just take this minus inside. So minus into minus is what is answer? Plus 1 by 4. Okay. So first of all, we have simplified like this. Next, what we have to do? We have to simplify the sums. That is, we have to subtract and here we have to add it. So for everything we needed the LCM. So same denominator we should need it. So now we are going to take the LCM. So what are the numbers I am going to take the LCM? 8, 6 and 4 I am just taking. So here all the numbers will be coming in 2 table. So 2 table 4 times, here 3 times, then 2 times. Again 2 table I am just taking. Then again 2 times. Then here 3 will not come in 2 tables. So 3. Then again here 1 times. Then again 2 table. This is 1 times, 3 times, then 1. Then 3 table, 1 times and 1. Okay, so now the LCM is it equal to, what is LCM? Least common multiple. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4. Here is 6. So what is the answer we are getting is 24 we are getting. Okay, so afterwards what we have to do it, the LCM is 24. So each denominator you should get, that is we should get as 24. So in what number to the 8 if I multiply it will get 24. Here you see that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So you're just hiding this 8. What is the remaining number? Remaining number is 3 is there. So that is 1 by 8 into 3 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So same wise when we will be getting 3 2s are 6. You just hide this. What is the remaining? 2 2s are 4. So into 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into, here you see 2 2s are 4 is you hide it. So remaining what is the number? 6. So 6 by 6. Okay, then what we have to do it? You just multiply both numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So 3 by 24 minus 4 by 24 plus 6 by 24. So now you see that 24 everything commonly you have got it in the denominator. So we have to take this 24 as common. Then afterwards 3 minus 4 plus 6. Okay. So now 3 minus 4. So 3 is the smaller number and 4 is the bigger number. 1 plus 1 minus means you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So here 3 minus 4 is 1. Since the 4 is the greater number, so you have to put minus 1 plus 6 by 24. So then what we have to do it is 5 by 24. So again 1 plus 1 subtraction is there. If 1 plus 1 minus means you will subtract and put the greater number sign. So 1 minus 6 is what is the answer? 5. So which is the greater number? 6. In the front of 6 what is the sign they have given is 5. So 5 by 24. So likewise in the subtraction also you have to simplify like that. 1 by 8. Okay, you just take this minus inside. So minus into minus is plus. Here minus 1 by 6. 8, 6 and 4 we are taking the LCM. After taking the LCM you are getting the LCM as 24. So to get the 24 in the commonly the denominator, you are just multiplying both numerator and denominator to get the 24. So 8 into 3 means 24 you will get. So both numerator and denominator. Likewise here's for 6. 6 into 4 and into 4. Here 4 into 6 and into 6. Then after getting the denominator as a common, what you have to do? You have to add or subtract the numerator. Then you are just taking the first two numbers, you are subtracting minus 1 plus 6. Then again 1 plus 1 minus means you will subtract and put the greater number sign.